For the supplier settings, we can set the workflow for the supplier. So for example, if an order ever comes through to this particular supplier, we can say, please invoice it to Dashkit Manufacturing. The supplier can have multiple workflows. On the product setup, you would be able to specify which product goes to which workflow based on that supplier. You would specify how you pay that supplier, credit card or PayPal, what the credit limit you have with that supplier. If the supplier is in shopping cart elite and you want to automate the process of sending them orders, you can specify the supplier's shipping ID number. If you want to eliminate the supplier from coming up on the order search filter, if you want to track the stock for this particular supplier, if you want to fax this supplier their drop shipping orders versus sending them the email, you would specify what the fax number to send the orders to. You can specify if you want to automatically send them a tracking request in X amount of days. If the supplier tells you that they can combine or consolidate shipments, you can specify what boxes they use, and based on the dimensions of the product and the boxes that the supplier uses, you'd be able to give more accurate and discounted rates to your customers. If your supplier is willing to access your system to view all new pending orders and to add tracking numbers into those orders, you can make a username and password for your supplier to log in from the back end. If the supplier is using a certain shipping company, you can specify that this supplier will be shipping using UPS. He's giving me X amount of % for discount, or it could stay at 0 if he's not. What is the fee that the supplier charges for shipping? So this could be the dropship fee, could be a % or dollar amount. And what is the residential charge from the supplier for shipping the items?